Your two courses, Faye, are?
I'm making a crab ravioli, a little sauce to go with it. Then I'm making guinea fowl with a stuffed leg and some braised fennel.
How important is MasterChef to you, Faye?
It's the thing that I've dreamt about for years and years and years. But I actually just don't think that I had the right confidence, but now I do.
The food that Faye is promising us sounds truly delicious. They might sound very simple, but there's a lot of work in them. You need to get those pasta made, young lady.
Yeah, I'm going to do it right now.
Yeah, right now.
So Faye's starting with a crab ravioli with prawn sauce.
I think she's got to not fall into the trap of really thick, heavy pasta, which kind of would overpower everything. Sounds lovely, and I'd be really happy with that if she executes it properly.
Faye?
Yes.
You have about 5 minutes to get this food on your plate.
Lovely.
Come on, Faye.
Thank you, John.
Oh, look at them. Oh, get you. You're a cook, mate. Come on.
Smells
All
good.
done?
All done.
Go, Faye.
Thank you.
Come on.
First hurdle over. You get
Thank
back
you.
for your main course.
Yep.
Off you go.
Superb. Good effort.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Today I've got a crab ravioli for you with a prawn sauce. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Looks great, smells good. I'm really looking forward to trying it.
Yeah.
It's really good. It is punchy. Really well made ravioli. The flavours in the ravioli itself are great.
There's a satisfying amount of butter in that sauce that makes it really rich. And I would be more than happy to have had that as a starter or have had 5 of them for a main.
I think this is excellent cooking. I'm thoroughly enjoying eating it.
Tell you what, that's great, isn't it? That's what you want to eat.
A real triumph. Well done, Faye.
Faye, you got 8 minutes.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Are you on time?
Yes.
Faye's main, guinea fowl's tricky. It's so easy to overcook it and make it dry.
I think it's OK.
Few alarm bells. Has she got enough time to get as much flavour out of that carcass for the sauce?
If she gets the taste right and the technique right, it could be absolutely delicious.
Right, you've got a couple of minutes.
OK.
Faye, you do a fair bit of cooking. Look at you. It looks fantastic. Yay! Come on. Yeah.
You've got roasted guinea fowl with a stuffed guinea fowl leg with wild mushrooms and some braised fennel. OK, thank you.
Thank you. It does look good, doesn't it? Sauce is lovely, packed full of flavour. It really kind of accentuates all the other flavours. It brings it all together. She should be applauded. This is lovely food.
The breast is moist, it hasn't dried out, the stuffing's delicious. I think it's a really, really good dish.
I think this is probably the best thing I've tasted in this room, ever.
Oh, that's bold.
Bold.
This is elegant. Small, dainty, well cooked.
That lady really understands her art, and her touch is magnificent.